Hello everyone, today I have nice magical mathematic for you. First of all, I request you subscribe my channel for more mathematical solution video like this and watching my previous video for improve your knowledge. Let's go. Did you ever seen this? It's called subfactorial. Factorial 3 was subfactorial 3. All no. Factorial 3 is 3 times 2 times 1 is equal 6. But what is the subfactorial 3 value? It is a question. Did you trust me if I am say subfactorial 3 is equal to? Yes, it is correct. Let's recheck them. Subfactorial value has one solution method. This is the method of solution subfactorial equations. In this case, our n value is 3. Subfactorial 3 equal factorial 3 times k equals 0 to 3 minus 1 to the power of k divided by factorial k. Subfactorial 3 equal factorial 3 times. In this case, we can get 0, 1, 2, 3 value to the k plus minus 1 to the power of 1 divided by factorial 1 plus minus 1 to the power of 2 divided by factorial 2 plus minus 1 to the power of 3 divided by factorial 3. You know, factorial 3 value is equal 6. Any number to the power of 0 is equal 1. And factorial 0 is also 1 plus minus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 divided by factorial 2 is equal to, and factorial 3 is equal 6. This outside 6 we can take into the bracket. 6 divided by 1 minus 6 divided by 1 plus 6 divided by 2 minus 6 divided by 6. 6 minus 6 plus 3 minus 1. See this. We can neglect 6 minus 6 value. 6 minus 6 is 0. And we have 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is equal to. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Goodbye.